Your digital assets are everywhere, scattered across drives, emails, folders, unstructured, uncontrolled. When assets are unmanaged, productivity drops, teams recreate instead of reuse, and decisions are made without data. Introducing Smart Asset Manager by BugendaiTech, a centralized, metadata-driven, governance-enabled platform built inside a secure Power Apps environment. Every asset follows a structured lifecycle, from upload to review, to approval to discovery to analytics. Mandatory metadata ensures consistency. No more guesswork. No more random naming conventions. Combine full-text search with structured filtering, and locate the right asset in seconds, not minutes. Role-based workflows ensure only approved, compliant content is visible across the organization. 3 levels of control. Clear responsibilities. Complete governance. Every asset view is logged. Track engagement. Measure value. Identify what drives impact. Smart Asset Manager transforms digital chaos into structured, scalable governance. Your digital assets are valuable. Manage them intelligently.